How to transfer specific album to Backblaze B2 on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific album to Backblaze B2 on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click these three lines here and go down, click settings and scroll down again until you find transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and scroll down. Here in the last one you will find Backblaze B2. Click on it and click specific video, a specific album, and select album here and click none on videos if you want to transfer only your album, and then click next. Now just enter your and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.